what I want you all to do is imagine that it's 2022. World leaders across the globe are being woken up. Something unimaginable has happened. A Russian warship has been attacked in the Persian Gulf. The European Union and NATO are holding an emergency meeting. The Shanghai Cooperation Organization is in a closed-door session. The United Nations has convened the Security Council. The entire world is on edge. As Russia investigates, they find something quite shocking. It wasn't another country that attacked Russia. It was Russian drones. Specifically, Russian autonomous armed drones. These are drones powered by artificial intelligence. AI is deciding who to attack and how. On a routine mission from Syria, the drones changed. The AI evolved, and it created a new mission for itself. It attacked the Russian warship. Russian commanders on the ground saw no threat. Russian satellites saw nothing suspicious. But for the first time, autonomous weapons have attacked a country. Autonomous weapons that are out of human control. And nobody knows what's going to happen next. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Abishur Prakash. I work as a geopolitical futurist focused on how new and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, robotics, gene editing will transform geopolitics.